The United States Air Force has always been at the forefront of innovation as one of the most powerful armed units in the world. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun facts. The United States Air Force has admitted to developing something so advanced that it will destroy everything. So join us as we explore this most recent and sophisticated invention of the US Air Force, whose super advanced capabilities will undoubtedly send shockwaves through the aviation industry from the first powered flight in 1903 to the development of modern aircraft and drones. Due to its rapid advancement, this newly upgraded laser technology offers a great deal of potential to significantly boost the capabilities of Army platforms. Although it is still in the prototype stage, this advanced laser technology has already undergone a number of successful testing and is now anticipated to be used in the field soon. Let's begin by studying this laser's operation in more detail. When activated, the tactical ultra-short pulse laser is capable of producing a series of ultra-short pulses that are directed at the target. These pulses are unlike anything you've ever seen before. Their peak intensity can reach up to 1,000,000 times higher than the sun. This super advanced and revolutionary laser is housed in a compact, portable device that can be easily carried by military personnel and field. You might not know what that means, but the pulse duration of this potent new laser from the US Air Force ranges from femtoseconds to picoseconds. Because of this incredibly short pulse duration, this cutting-edge new technology has a special ability to cut, wield, and melt materials with an unprecedented level of precision. In fact, it is capable of cutting, welding, and melting materials with a femtosecond precision. Here's how it functions, because I bet you've never seen anything like it before. The material is initially shocked by the expansion from the laser's impact, which generates a small explosion on the surface. The shock wave then takes a small amount of material from the surface, producing a clean and precise cut from the material. If you're wondering how the laser achieves such incredible levels of power and speed, well, it all starts as it begins. To gain medium right at this moment, a special type of material is released that amplifies the laser's energy. This amplifying material is what gives the laser its incredible levels of power and speed, which have only been witnessed so far during the series of tests conducted using this maiden laser technology. You see, even though you may be familiar with lasers, the tactical ultra-short pulse laser is in a league of its own. This is because of the laser's incredibly short pulse duration, which enables it to achieve peak powers in the orders of petawatts, which, to put things in perspective, is approximately 1,000,000 times more powerful than the average power output of the entire human race. This incredibly rare laser technology developed by the US Air Force can also execute nonlinear optical processes, which enables it to interact with matter in ways not achievable with conventional lasers. For example, it may be used to produce high-energy photons and construct plasma from solid materials. The military applications for this new technology are exhilaratingly endless. It could be used to destroy enemy drones, disable enemy vehicles, or even disrupt enemy communications because it operates at a range of up to a mile. It can also be used in a variety of different scenarios, and experts now predict that what the future holds for the tactical ultra-short pulse laser will be even more stellar. According to US military specialists, this dynamic features makes the tactical ultra-short pulse laser a powerful asset for any combat mission. Amazing technology like the tactical ultra-short pulse laser has the potential to transform how America defends its territory and safeguard its inhabitants. The high-power fibers used by the laser are coated with particular compounds that amplify the light as it passes through them, strengthening the beam and enabling it to be incredibly powerful and precise. These fast fibers effectively enable the laser beam to move at rates of up to 300 million meters per second, making it nearly hard to escape or evade. This enables the laser to deliver hits that are far more potent and precise than those made by conventional lasers. Additionally, the tactical ultra-short pulse laser's capacity to function well in non-lethal capacities, such as temporarily incapacitating opponents during a battle without causing any permanent harm, is greatly improved by the enormous amount of light energy that these high-power fibers can conduct. Another cutting-edge feature of this new laser is adaptive optics technology, which enables the laser to adjust its own beam to compensate for atmospheric distortions and ensure that it stays focused and accurate over long distances. This technology also enables the laser to adapt to changing conditions in real time, which is particularly useful in fields where conditions can vary greatly. The Air Force's new laser is similarly capable of adjusting its wavelength. And if you're wondering why this is significant, or different wavelengths of light were absorbed by different materials, so being able to tune its wavelength is essentially what allows this laser to effectively target a wide range of materials. By being capable of tuning the wavelength of its beam, this laser is also able to target a wide range of materials. The pulse also has the ability to emit numerous beams, which enables it to simultaneously target many threats, making it an incredibly effective defense tool. In both single beam and multi-beam modes, the pulse operates with great levels of accuracy and precision. The US Air Force also added a beam sweep mode function to their most recent laser technology. When activated in this extremely potent mode, the laser can quickly scan an area and target multiple threats in a short period of time. This is especially helpful in scenarios where there are numerous threats present because it enables the T-USPL to eliminate them all quickly and effectively. According to some US military experts, the T-TUSPL's various beam configurations are what make it an indispensable tool for the US Air Force and are essentially what distinguish it from every other laser technology ever developed. However, like any high-energy weapon, this highly advanced laser generates a lot of heat that is high enough to damage the system and reduce its effectiveness. The T-USPL's cooling system combines liquid and air cooling techniques to remove heat from the device, with air cooling using fans to flow air around the laser component. The most advanced feature of this laser has to be its advanced control systems. Liquid cooling uses a special coolant to transfer heat away from the laser. The Air Force's newest laser is also capable of adjusting its cooling level based on the amount of heat it generates. This further allows the system to operate at maximum efficiency while also conserving energy. The tactical ultra-short pulse laser has advanced control systems that enable remote and automatic operation. The T-USPL control system is made up of various components that cooperate to guarantee the laser is constantly working at its peak performance. This comprises a laser energy management device, a system for beam quality management, and beam pointing control to ensure that the laser's energy output is always within the desired range. The laser energy control system is in charge of controlling the amount of energy being sent by the laser. Additionally, this system keeps an eye on the laser's temperature to prevent it from being too hot or too cold, which could impair its function. On the other hand, the laser beam quality control system is in charge of preserving the laser's quality and ensuring that it is consistently focused and stable. Finally, the beam pointing control system is in charge of making sure that the laser beam is always aimed in the right direction. This system is able to detect any variations in the beam and make modifications in real time to preserve its quality. These advanced control systems enable the T-USPL to deliver a highly focused, stable beam of energy with incredible accuracy. So it's no surprise that this laser technology has quickly become a key component of the US Air Force's arsenal. This system uses a variety of sensors and algorithms to constantly track the position and orientation of the laser and make adjustments as necessary to keep it on target. While we cannot predict the future, the tactical ultra-short pulse laser is undoubtedly a technology to watch as it continues to develop and improve. As a result, we can anticipate to see it become an even more crucial part of the US military's arsenal. The tactical ultra-short pulse laser is not only a powerful weapon, but is also highly efficient and cost-effective, requiring very little maintenance while having a long lifespan. So what do you think of these technological advancements? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section. If you like these fun facts, give us a thumbs up and tune in for more. Cheers!